cocktails are just like your.
So, new day, different vineyard. Here you have shrimp planting. Some drift.
Huh?
Planting drift, putting up shoots to protect them. And making our way down the lines with our boss man Neil. So one of the best things about getting to plant and play with these is you bump into these massive spiders. So I'm just filming. Oh yeah, it's a big one. Ah. Oh yeah, there is. Every day we see tons of these things. They look terrifying. So today, we're once again lifting some wires.
Yeah.
But unlike...
We have some friends.
Yeah, we have an audience today. People get to watch Trine work. Here they all are.
Ouch. And this one's massive.
Look at those bull balls. Hi, cows. Oh, sorry.
So what are you doing now?
I am moving hay around for the farmer. He's right behind you. What do you mean? Today we're moving mulch. Still. It's very exciting working on the winery. Yeah, that's our job today. It's a real job is putting up with it. So, sometimes when we're working with the hay, I guess, I don't know,
Yeah.
the best thing happens.
Falls off the truck.
Yay, which means we have to rake it all the way
Well,
up.
he's gonna go use the tractor. Hopefully that works. If
Yeah.
not, yeah.
An
Sucks.
extra hour worth of work.
Ugh. Farmers in the Dell.
Yeah.
Nice hot 35.